Alright, here we go with Math 8, turn to number 9. First question, what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve a linear equation that involves two steps, or a two-step equation. So here we go, we got 3x plus 31 is equal to 76. Here's my x. I want to get it by itself, so I undo any addition and subtraction to it first, subtracting 31 from both sides. 3x, carry down the equal sign. These will cancel. Do the subtraction, I'm going to get 45. I'm multiplying x by 3, so the inverse operation would be division, so I divide by 3, x is equal to 15. And there's your first answer, which is choice 2. Moving on to question number 8. Again, it's another two-step equation. 8x plus 5 is equal to 61. I'm adding 5 to x, so I'm going to do the inverse operation, which is subtracting 5. 8x is equal to, do the subtraction, you're going to get 56. 5's are gone. I'm multiplying x by 8, so I'm going to divide by 8. X is equal to 7. And that would be choice 1. Question number 9. Again, two-step question, or two-step equation. 5a plus 6 is equal to a negative 29. I'm adding 6 to a, so I'm going to subtract 6. Do any addition and subtraction first. 5a is equal to, if the signs are the same, we add the two numbers and we keep the sign. Negative 35. I'm multiplying a by 5, so I'm going to divide by 5. And I get x, a in this case, is equal to negative 7. Choice 2. Number 10. In number 10, what we have going on is we have a two-step equation, but this time we have a fraction that's involved. And we have to get decent. Don't be afraid of the fractions, but we have to get decent with the fractions, or better with them. So I have 1/2 x plus 7 is equal to 16. Again, forget about the fraction. My first step is to get rid of what I'm adding. I carry down the result. I get 1/2 x. The 7's now 0 out, so that's by itself. 16 minus 7 is 9. If you have a coefficient that's a fraction, you multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is just take the fraction and flip it. So I come over here and I multiply by the reciprocal. The reason why I do that is because these will all cancel. I'm left with x equals, and this is just 18. And that'll be choice 3. And finally, question number 11. Question number 11 again has a fraction in it, but we'll deal with that last. I have 18 is equal to 2/5 x minus 6. So I'm subtracting 6, so I'm going to add 6. Doesn't matter about the fraction right now, so don't panic. Just get rid of that piece first. I'm at 24 is equal to 2/5 times x. If you have a coefficient that's a fraction, number in front of x is a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. So multiply both sides by 5/2. And again, you can see the reason why I do that. Everything cancels, and there's my x. 2 goes into 24 12 times. 12 times 5 is 60. Choice 1. Then that concludes turn-in number 9.